Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can install any extension in the Google Antigravity. So if you are using Google Antigravity and you don't know how you can install an extension, so this video will be helping you out by telling you how to do this. So Google Antigravity has fairly very resemblance with the VS Code, and just like you do it VS Code, it is almost similar here in Antigravity as well, as it is based on the same fork. So let me show you how to do this. So as you can see, this is the interface of the Google Antigravity, and if you'll notice, the last section in this particular tab is the extensions option, or alternatively you may also press the Control Shift and X key command in order to launch the extension. And just like VS Code, you have all of these extensions right here, including Docker, Kubernetes, and Python as well. So we're gonna try and install the Python, and we can see that it is already installed into our system. So these are the already installed extensions, or apart from that, if you want to install something else like the Docker and the Kubernetes, you can simply click onto this install button. And once you will click onto the install button, they will be successfully installed into your Google Antigravity. So that was pretty much it about installing extensions in your Google Anti-Gravity. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.